How much you make so far today?
This morning I had 2 sales, but yesterday, I'll show you, this day was so incredible. Yesterday I make a 2,600.
Oh, that's good.
Oops. Yeah, let's see.
Wow, yeah, 2,600 yesterday.
Yes, today I'm just grateful. I had a talk with my parents yesterday, and finally I make them proud. I can see the joy in their face, and they say, "Oh yeah, my son is." I showed them like how much I made yesterday, and they was like, "Damn, that's a the doctor or engineer, like they cannot make that much. So, bro, my son can do that." Yeah.
Yeah. Hey man, we're proud of you too.
Yeah.
Me, Chung, Hung, and the Shifu team is proud of you.
Yeah, and I'm also grateful that like the Shifu families, like you, Shifu Jiu, the Shifu Hung, they're always there to support me.
Well, I hope the story from Lum and how he's make his parent proud somehow inspire you to start your own journey as well. Remember, what if this year gonna be the last year of your life? What would you do differently? Would you want to make your parent proud, make your wife and kid proud, and most importantly, make yourself proud so that when you on your deathbed, you will remember that you get to live the life that you can share the story, how you struggle your way to the top. And I know for sure you will make it happen. So believe in yourself and like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more and stay in touch with Long's story. I'm gonna tell you how Long is able to achieve his success and all the timeline so that you can learn too. I wish you a great start of the week ahead, and remember, 1% better, you got this.